In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keyframe Adobe After Effects. Keyframes are the foundation of animation in After Effects. They tell the software where a change begins and ends, and After Effects fills in the motion between those points for you. Once you understand how to set them, you can animate position, scale, rotation, opacity, and much more with confidence. Start by opening Adobe After Effects and loading the composition you want to work on. In the timeline, click the layer you want to animate so it's clearly selected. This ensures any changes you make go to the right place. Next, reveal the layer's controls by clicking the small arrow to expand its properties. Look for the transform group. Inside, you'll see common properties such as anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity. Decide which one you want to animate. To begin keyframing, click the small stopwatch icon next to that property. The stopwatch turns active and a diamond-shaped marker appears in the timeline at the current time. That diamond is your first keyframe, and it records the property's value at that exact moment. Important tip, once keyframing is enabled, don't click the stopwatch again unless you intend to remove all keyframes on that property. Now move the playhead to a new time in the timeline, drag the current time indicator to where you want the change to occur. Checking your playhead's position before you make adjustments will help you avoid dropping keyframes in the wrong spot. Change the property's value to whatever you want at this new time. For example, move the layer to a new position, adjust the scale, or tweak the opacity. As soon as you change the value, After Effects automatically creates a second keyframe at the playhead. Between the first and second keyframes, the program interpolates the values, creating smooth motion or a gradual fade. Scrubbing through the timeline now will show your animation in action. If you prefer using the menu, you can also add a keyframe without changing the value. With the property active and the playhead positioned, go to the animation menu and choose Add Keyframe. This is handy when you want to mark a moment first and fine-tune the value later. And that's the whole workflow. Select your layer, expand, transform, click the stopwatch to set the first keyframe, move the playhead, change the value to create another keyframe automatically, or use animation, Add Keyframe. With these basics, you're ready to animate any property in After Effects quickly and precisely.